Right then, peeling peaches. Pretty straightforward. They have to be ripe, they can't be hard, otherwise they don't peel properly. So it's just a simple case of, I've seen people not do this, but I always kind of do this because I do it with tomatoes. Just a little cross on the end and it just makes the skin want to come off a little bit easier. And then we poach them for a minute in boiling water, and then we've got some cold water just to stop them from cooking. So it'll be a minute, which is, I don't know, maybe I should count. But we'll see anyway. We'll see what happens after a minute. And this was the one that I did just earlier, and you can see how that kind of comes off. So that wasn't a minute. So we can just also with the cross as well. What I did notice was the skin starts to. Well, we'll see on this one. I'll be able to show you. But it's just a simple case of sometimes it's not even a minute. Don't overcrowd the pan. Don't put too many peaches in all at once. Right. So as we can see, that the skin is starting to split, which is a good indication that it wants to peel kind of quite easy. So that looks like it's okay. So I'll bring it close to the camera so you can see now that the skin has wanted to start splitting, so it wants to come away. We just need to stop the cooking process by putting in cold water like that. Turn it down because I'm not going to do any more. So it just stops the cooking process because we don't want to actually cook the peaches, we just want to remove the skin. So then you can see that the skin wants to come away relatively easy, like that. You can do them while they're still warm. Hold they're cool enough to touch, and then back into the cold water. Ideally with ice, but just cold water is fine. As long as you don't put too many in. So a big bowl is ideal. So like a big bowl of cold water, so the heat of the peaches doesn't heat up the water too much. If the water starts getting a little bit too warm, just change the water out, put some more water on. Don't overcrowd the pan, but there you go. That's how to peel peaches. And I don't know what the start of the video is because I haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet. Probably just poach them in some sugar syrup, but we'll see. That'll be at the start of the video. This is the end of the video, but that's it. Peeling peaches and other soft fruits. So maybe nectarines, plums maybe, probably could do the same way, but there you go.